Are you a shop owner? Want to increase your shop's revenue in 2024? Well, we have the event for you. Get ready to turbocharge your shop's growth with Next Level Shop Owner. Join us in Boise, Idaho for our workshop, February 10th and 11th. At our event, you'll learn the secrets to effective recruiting and hiring, marketing, shop flow, sales, and digital inspections. As an added bonus, our friends at TechMetric will be there to show you and teach you how to amplify your shop with their industry-leading cloud-based shop management system. We'll also be conducting one-on-one consultations to answer your shop-specific questions so that you can leave with confidence and hit the ground running when you return to the shop. Don't wait. Limited space is available. Act now to take advantage of our early bird special. This is an event you won't want to miss. For more information, visit nextlevelshoponner.com.